Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete or uninstall apps on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So I'm heading over to apps, and you see me going to the top menu. I'm going to quick settings, navigate then to all settings. I'm going to look for the option that says apps. Under apps, go to see all apps and navigate to the app of choice. So for instance, if I want to delete an application like TVMate, I scroll down to the application and I get in and I'm able to see this button that says uninstall. So this is going to warn me. You say, do you want to uninstall this app? And this app, mind you, is going to be uninstalled for all users. The application data will be removed from all users on the device. If you're sure of it, okay, click OK. And after a few seconds, the app is gone. It's totally gone. That's how you delete or install an application on Google TV. If you found that insightful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.